On behalf of the National Atmospheric Deposition Program, I would like to thank you for joining us today as we walk you through this NADP training video highlighting the MDN GridSensor replacement for the ACM collector. Disconnect the sensor from the motor box by unscrewing the connector. Remove the 4 screws securing the sensor to the frame. Set aside the old sensor and retrieve the new sensor. Thread its cable through the hole in the collector body and secure the sensor using the 4 screws that were removed in the previous step. Align and tighten the sensor connector to the motor box connector. Make a note on the remarks section of your field form and return the old sensor to the NADP Network Equipment Depot. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact the MDN Site Liaison at 1-877-622-6960.